Hello everybody, so today I will talk about physics. The topic today is simple harmonic motion. There are two different pendulums with same mass and they are on the round of the earth. Suppose that L1, A1, F1 and L2, A2, F2 are the length of the string, the amplitude of simple harmonic motion, and the maximum force of the pendulum number 1 and the pendulum number 2 respectively. We also know that 3L2 equals to 2L1 and 2A2 equals to 3A1. Find the ratio of F1 to F2. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to apply the second law of Newton. So that should be about F equal to M multiplied with A. In this situation, they just mentioned about maximum force. So we will have F mass equal to M multiplied with acceleration in the maximum value. Why we have only acceleration maximum? Because we have the same mass in here. So it's been M did not change in this situation. So we just carry about the acceleration in the maximum. The next step we consider about simple harmonic motion. In here we have A mass equals to A multiplied with omega to the power of 2. So this is the value of the maximum of acceleration. Now we just replace the new one. In here we have the third formula of the omega. That's about we have omega to the power of 2. You got about G over L. G is about gravitation force. L is about the length of the string in here. So we will replace the new one. Now we can apply for F1 over F2 in here. We know that M and M in here they have the same mass. We can eliminate. G and G they have the same. So in this situation we can create about the ratio in here. That's about A1 to A2 and we have L2 over L1. Now we just look about the ratio in here. We have L2 and L1. We divide both sides with L number 1 and we got about L2 over L1 and we got about number 2 and we have number 3 in here, so we got about 2 over 3. The next one we have 2A2 equals to 3A1. So we divide both sides with A2 and we have number 2 and we have number 3. The number 3 in here we divide in the both side, and we got about 2 over 3 of a1 over a2, and this is about 2 over 3. Two ratio multiply together, and we got about 4 over 9, and the answer for the question is about 8. That's the end. Thank you for watching.